Once upon a time, in a place called Sao Paulo, there stood a great building called the Mac Museum. The Mac Museum was placed just next to the park, which thousands of people visited every day. The link between the park and the museum was a bridge. Lots of people crossed the bridge every day, but nobody ever noticed the museum. The guards who protected the museum decided to change this, since they were tired of just standing watching all the people who never came in. All the guards gathered and decided to turn the building back alive. They attached all the blinds of each level onto each other and came up with a choreography. Each 10 minutes they would open an entire floor of blinds and show the most beautiful gradient of red. Once they started their act, all the people on the bridge stopped and started cheering. They were astonished. They had never seen a building this beautiful.